Family Board.
Douceur.
E douceur? Wow, ça veut dire douceur. Ça fait plaisir, chérie. Et si vous avez pas aimé la caille, moi, si vous avez deux bagages ou pas aimé la caille, moi, t'as demandé pour me changer, qui ça le bien?
Trop fort.
Et si vous avez souhaité pour moi m'avoir pendant l'année 2025, qui ça le bien?
On l'autre caille.
Pour une autre maison ensemble? Pour une maison. Pour nous virer là-dedans, pour nous faire ça, nous voulons là-dedans, pour nous courir là-dedans, pour nous faire la gueule là-dedans, pour nous toucher l'autre là-dedans, pour nous hospitaliser l'autre là-dedans. Ok, mais, mon qu'on va la caille, mais, et il y en a pas appelé mon pas observer la caille, personnellement, moi-même, observer, ou aimer mon, ok? Avant tout, bagarre, ou aimer mon appel, puis, ou connaît comment pour parler avec mon, respecter mon. Et si on a vraiment apprécié la caille. Pas occuper. Fortunate, ok, fortunate solving fella.
Not Trey.
Okay, what's going on, Fortunate?
What's your problem?
So what's the thing?
I'm your problem.
No, you're not. You know very well that you all them know.
Talking to Trey. Stop being a woman. Do you need a G-string? Do you need a thong? Shut up. I'm speaking to Trey. You said?
I said yes.
Why am I your problem? Why am I a threat?
Why are you there?
Why am I a threat?
You can go. Why you
Why
keep coming?
am I a threat? No, the question is why am I a threat to you?
You're
Is it
trying to
me?
be a threat.
Is it my beauty? Is it my nyash? What is it?
You can't be a
Is it the fact that I spent his first Christmas in Dubai with
Et c'est vous êtes toute femme belle. Et c'est parce qu'il y a un gros moudage, c'est parce qu'il est en forme.
girl.
which one is it?
You think you're something because you spent in Dubai Christmas. Oh my gosh, you're just a side. You don't have nothing. Where's your ring?
That's okay. At least the sides gets to enjoy the benefits. Where have you been with him?
Oh, you
Right, silence. That's what I expected. Silence. It's okay, sweetie. It happens.
Where did you went in Dubai? You went in Dubai.
I'll do anything that you say, anything, because you're the boss, Ralph. You're the boss.
L'argent Mexico, il n'y a pas bon l'argent. What?
Delusion is the illness.
Do you guys have a song together? Anyway, I have no time to fight for a man because plenty of them are waiting on my DMs. Enjoy your lousy man that flirts with everybody, but remember, I am the main chick. And don't forget that. You should plan that in your mind. Okay? Plan that in your mind.
Yeah.
Whatever you guys do, just remember.
Let's talk about the
I
struggle.
am his main chick, and he is always gonna come back to me. Always, every day. Every day. He's just gonna keep on coming.
Keep trying.
And coming in other ways as well.
Yeah, right. You gonna
Because
see
he's
the
the boss, yeah.
Oh.
Because now, because of that, I'm not going anywhere. Look at how he's smiling. I would be very ashamed if I was you. Smiling like this while I'm speaking, and you want to claim him? No, you can do better.
No, fortunate de Dieu, Bouddha, menti. Oh my God, quel Bouddha, quel coco, quel tête. T'as pas de cheveux à cage?
No sabes dónde encontrar trajes de baño.
Baby, you look amazing. Oh my God. Guys, me na voy, we never done them. Oh my God, baby, I love you. Listen, do you feel happy because I present you like my wife?
Yeah.
You happy about that?
A little difficulty though.
No, it's not difficult, baby. Y conta parce que vous allez te madame. Okay, are you happy now?
Mm-hmm.
You sure? Be fier. See, I'm proud of you, right?
I guess so.
I definitely love you. I'm in love with you, and I will never leave you for no one. I'm going to present you my friend. Here is my friend. Oh, look at her. Oh, tú estás escuchando música. Bájalo, bájalo. Tengo que presentarte a alguien. Maybe I'm going to introduce her to you, okay?
Okay.
Baja la música, baja la música. Sí, guys, madam. I'm going to introduce you to her, but I want you to. I'm also gonna introduce you one of my sister, right? Mi amor, te voy a presentar a mi hermana, okay?
Boyfriend.